Hi, Sarah here with a haul video for you today. This is all the things I got in the recent Black Friday sale. All these things are planner related or journaling, scrapbooking, mostly planner though. Apologies for the state of my hands, I am actually in the middle of making an elf doll. So I've just cleared everything literally off to the side just so I've got enough room. So I've got a few things from different shops. I have some things from Fab Planner Print, of course. I also have Happy Cutie Studios, Chocho Mimi, Paper Pen Plan. I think that might be it. I am short, I think, one order that didn't turn up, but hopefully it'll be here after the weekend, so I may or may not share that. I might just stick it on Instagram when it arrives, just with a picture. So without further ado, I'll show you what I got from Fab Planner Print first of all. So first off, I have the sampler pack here, which is of all different shops that were part of the same sale. So those are the cute samplers I got. Okay, so on to the actual Fab Planner Print goodies. I have, I'll open this one first because this was one of the first orders. That's how I got the samplers, because I was one of the first orders. They've got new loyalty cards now for your stickers, which I think are, there they are on that one. There's the loyalty stickers there. So we've got new cards to add our loyalty stickers to. I got this gorgeous postcard, journal card, project life card, whichever you want to call it. It's super pretty. This lovely snowflake die cut. These are all freebies, by the way. There's some loyalty stickers there. This cute little sampler as well. And now moving on to the stickers. I got a hold of some more of the scalloped ones because I do use them quite a lot. So these are really handy to have, because you just use whichever ones coordinate with the specific kit you're using at the time. Probably could have done with more of them than that, because I absolutely love the scalloped hearts. They're so pretty. I got some Christmas themed bows in silver, gold, red and green that will go with any Christmassy kits. Now there's the deco sheet here for, I will put the name of them up on the screen because I can't remember at the moment. I've got those deco stickers which go with one of the kits. I like to get the deco stickers so then I can stretch my kit over a couple of weeks, and then because I like to use lots of deco stickers, if I've got extra ones then I have enough for the following week as well. Okay, so this is, oh, that was the other kit. I think this one's Christmas reindeer. I will link them all below anyway. Right, first kit. I got the Erin Conjuring style ones because I can use these over 2 weeks in my A5 planner. There's lovely bows on this one. Super cute. Functionals. Some scripty ones there as well. Some deco stickers, as you can see. Those are what I get extra of. And the headers, washi style headers. And the days of the week there as well. Oh, and these are extra ones that go across the bottom of your page, so I don't know if I can make them work, but if I can I'll definitely be trying to put those in, because they go straight across the bottom, I believe. So I'll have a go, see if I can make them work in an A5, we shall see. So that's my first kit. And this is the second kit. I think it's called Christmas Cuties, but I will put the names across, as I say, and in the description below if you want to get hold of them. I literally got this for this little guy because he's the cutest thing ever. Love this kit. It's so sweet. So it's in reds and pinks and silver. It's got a lovely scalloped patterned ones down the side there as well. Again, it's an Erin Condren style. Some ombre boxes, more scallops, some flags, etc. Some functional stickers there with a glitter effect down the side. Oh, look, lovely bows for the washi style headers. Some deco stickers there, as well as days of the week. And back to the beginning again. And of course this matches this deco sheet as well, so that's the next kit I got. I also got some Functionals nursery stickers for recording when my boy's gone to nursery. I also have this vellum dash, which is made for traveller's notebooks, but in order to put it into an A5 rings, all you have to do is trim down the centre and punch the holes in, or you can leave it as a double one and just punch the holes straight through there. So it's got a cute bow on the back. I also have the die cuts for the reindeer kit. Next up, this is the second order. So I'll quickly show you what's in here as well. So again, I have freebies. I have the stickers, loyalty stickers, this cute little die cut here, another cute little girl there, and I've got one of these that you scratch off to see if you've won anything, which I will do later. First off, this is the winter kit, which I am gifting, although I kind of think I need to get one as well. It's so pretty. The colours are beautiful. Don't know how well they're coming up on screen, but they are gorgeous. I got the vellum. Again, if you're using a rings planner, you've just trimmed down and punched your holes in. But it's got a polar bear on one side and a horse on the other. I don't know how well that's showing up. There we go. And polar bear. Then this is the kit. Again, Erin Condren style for this. There's these beautiful deco ones here which actually form a scene, but you could use them individually and they'd work perfectly well on their own. And some more there, the scallop boxes as usual in these beautiful soft colours. I love these boxes, they're so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to have to get this kit as well. There's some functional boxes, some half and quarter boxes there, some functional stickers, some scripty ones down the side. The header washi style strips are really pretty on this as well. There's days of the week there too, and some deco stickers on the days of the week, as well as some more of these scenery stickers, which are split into individual boxes, but you can stick them all together. And back to the beginning for those. That also came with a sticker here, which is super pretty. So that's that kit. And finally I have this fairy kit, which has this cute vellum here, which you can get in different sizes. And then this is the kit. Again, Erin Condren style. Got them deco, ombre box lists and scalloped. The half and quarter boxes, etc. Some functional ones. Deco stickers and the days of the week, and this beautiful header washi style strips there, and that's that back to the beginning. And as well as that, I have these functional stickers to go with it, and some ephemera as well, which I'll get out. So that's everything I got from Fab Planner Print. Stay tuned, I will do a second part with what I got from the other shops as well. So I will try and link that below as well so that you can get from one video to the other. So yes, stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me and see my plan with me that I'll be doing using all these goodies. Have a great day everyone. Bye!